Hi guys, hope you're all doing well today. Before I start, I just want to mention that this piece of code right here is referred to as the main function. And that's because it's called main and it's a function. It has some kind of functionality to it. You don't have to understand that now. Just know that this is the main function and this right here is inside the main function, and anything else like right here or right here is outside the main function. Okay, so when I say write something inside the main function, you would be writing it right here. Anyways, what is programming? Programming is telling the computer something to do for you, or giving it orders to do something for you. If you wanted the computer to print out your name on the screen, that would be giving it an order to print out your name on the screen. That would be programming it to print out your name on the screen. Okay? Now, we don't need a computer to print out our name on the screen. We can write our name anywhere, on paper. We don't really need a computer. But we do that example. We ask the computer to print our name on the screen because we need to understand how to explain our problems to computers. Okay? So if we do understand how to tell the computer to print out my name on the screen, then I would be able to take it a step further and understand how to explain to the computer and order it to find the roots of a quadratic equation, for instance. So whenever I ask a computer something, I learn how to communicate with it. So that's why we're doing this tutorial today. And it's gonna seem stupid, and it's going to seem like we're wasting our time with printing our names on the screen. Yes, I know, but we have to understand how we communicate with a computer and how we tell it to print our name on the screen. Because later on, like I said, we're going to be doing more complicated things like making calculators and writing code for applications and stuff. So right now we're going to just print our name on the screen. Okay, let's see. Sorry about that. Let's see how we type our name on the screen. In C++, every language is different, but in C++, the word for outputting something on the screen or typing something on the screen is cout. Okay, and that comes from C++, C, and out is output, so cout. After that, the syntax, which is the way you have to write the code, and that's what the syntax is. The syntax is basically cout and then 2 caret brackets like that, going outwards to the left. After that, you have to type whatever you want to print on the screen in quotes, double quotes. So if I wanted to print my name, for instance, Khalid, I would print it like that. And semicolon. This is the syntax. What if I wanted to print Jeff? I would just change that. What if I wanted to print school? I would just change that. Or school is great. Okay? So let's actually run this program and see what happens. Now, to run this program, what you have to do is actually go to debug and start without debugging. Okay? It's going to ask you, would you like to debug it? Say yes. And here you are. This is the screen of the results, or what the results are. So, as you can see, it reads, school is great, exclamation mark, and then this is press any key to continue, which is always going to be there. But that's what we asked it to do, and that's what it did. If we X out of this and change this to anything else, say we wanted to print LOL, and go to debug, start without debugging, yes. LOL right there. So as you can see, with this statement, we can print anything on that screen. Again, it seems really stupid to print something on the screen. We can just write it down or go write it in Word or do whatever. I understand. But you have to know how to tell the computer to type something on the screen. It's the very basic step. So try, different words, try doing different things, try doing multiple statements and see what happens. Okay? And we'll be talking some more about it in my next video and seeing why certain things do this and why other things do that. As you can see right now, LOL Paul. Okay? So yeah, just keep trying with things and fix it and do whatever you want. As long as you have the syntax right, you shouldn't have any problems. This right here, this right there, and the C out. Okay? So next time, we'll talk some more about it. Have a good day or night or whatever. Watch my next video. Bye.